Hello everybody, today I'm going to make some delicious chocolate muffins. First of all, you have to prepare 120 grams of butter, 120 grams of sugar, 120 grams of flour, 80 grams of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, a glass of milk, 40 grams of chocolate chips, 1 dose of yeast, a muffin pan with their muffin wrappers, 2 bowls and 2 spoons. Let's start. You put butter, sugar, and eggs. In a bowl and mix together. In the other bowl, you put flour, cocoa powder, and yeast. Then mix all together until it becomes soft. To do this, you have to add the milk slowly. It starts to become like this. Finally, pour the chocolate chips and mix. Now pour the dough in wrappers. And bake them in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. And these are my chocolate muffins. If you want, you can sprinkle with icing sugar. Delicious.